Welcome back everyone, Crowon again, and we will be tackling UCE Auto Register Spawnables. So we're going to do as usual, we're going to right click, we're going to import our package, and we're going to bring in Auto Register Spawnables and import that. We'll wait a moment for it to finish up. And there we go. Now I'll expand it. We'll go to our README again. Let's show it in the Explorer and open it up. Alright, so this one's also not a super large one to work with. So, as you can see, it has nothing special here you need to do, so we can just close that up. The only requirement here is we can go ahead and go to our Network Manager. And if you scroll down here in the Network Manager to the very bottom, you'll see a new button called Search and Add New Network Program Prefabs. I'm going to clear this console quick so we can turn this on. You can see it. We're just going to go ahead and click, and you can see it tells me that 15 new network prefabs were added to the spawnable list. And that's it. That's all there is to it. This simply creates an easy way to add all of your prefabs that need to be networked straight into your network manager without having to go through that drop down consistently. Because let me tell you, when you start building this prefab list up, anything with an entity on it has to end up in there, and it can become, or anything with a network identity, it will become a rather long task just to continuously keep doing it. So the idea here was just to make this super simple, add them all in based on if they have an identity or not, and allow you to go on your way. So now we'll just hit play to make sure everything's spawning in appropriately. You can see it. So our players here, fantastic. Let's start. We got in the game world, our skeletons all spawned in, Alchemist, Bandit, everyone's here. The whole gang is here. So that is it. I mean, that's the simple setup for that one. So I will catch you on the next one.